Today, I'll walk you through how to transfer a Notion page to another account, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to move your Notion content seamlessly so you can keep your projects organized across different accounts. To start, open your Notion page. This is the foundation of your transfer process. Simply log into your Notion account and navigate to the page you wish to transfer. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout and content. Next, open the specific page that you want to transfer to the other account. This is crucial, as you will be sharing this page with your other Notion account. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The steps will still apply. Now locate the Share button in the top right corner of your screen. Click on it to open the sharing options. This button is your gateway to sharing your page with others, including your second account. Once you have the sharing options open, click on Publish. This action makes your page accessible to anyone with the link. It's similar to sending a postcard. You want to ensure the recipient can see the message clearly. After publishing, click on Publish again to confirm your choice. It may seem repetitive, but this ensures your page is fully shared and ready for transfer. Think of it as double-checking your address before sending that postcard. Next, make sure that the option to duplicate as a template is toggled on. This setting is essential as it allows the recipient account to create a copy of your page rather than just viewing it. It's like giving someone a blank canvas to recreate your masterpiece. Now copy the link provided. This link is what you will use to access the page from your other Notion account. It's like having the key to a new room in your house. Finally, open or log into your other Notion account and paste the link into the URL bar. This step will take you directly to the page you just shared, and just like that, you can now access your content in a different account. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.